What is that people are now doing? And today we had Green Meadows Farm. So come and show me for the first time here at Green Meadows. We got some chickens. Hello. Take a look at the pig. Take a look at two of them. Honk honk. I think it's worth picking, yeah? Plus. Oh look. Ooh. Look at the size of a pig. The apples are massive. You go, but it's breed. Hello? And we got two donkeys in front of me. Hello? Come and say hi. There's some sapling bunnies. Hello? Hello? You're on YouTube now? Oh, you're lovely, aren't you? Do some food. You like that? Hello? Some food. Yeah, do you want food? Thank you. Feed your friend as well, yeah? And you? I think he's dying over there. Oh God. Whoa! Hungry? Hello? I got my food. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. I don't on my food now. Sorry. I don't on my food. Hello? Okay. There you go. They're one nice in front of me. Hello? Do you feel weak, do you guys? Did you feel weak? Always remember to wash your hands. Look at the size of the cow. She's absolutely massive. And she's thanking me. It's, yeah, it's a Highland cow. And here, it's a calf. Two. Oh yeah, it's on here as well.
Oh my god.
Oh, hey, it's all in the corner.
Yeah, use a bowl.
I finally see a Highland cow. Yeah, any fans of Tom? A YouTuber called Love of Tom with his land of the cows. It's Highland cows. The cows is sort of just now. Yeah, in a minute, I will show you something. I want to show you the swagger now. But you got a swagger here. Yeah, it look like they are building something here. Yeah, so here, like you've got a couple of signs. So, example, if you want to go to a cafe, they have a pointing this way, so you want to go that way. Well, handy. Yeah, they are showing here. This farm remind me of a bit like the one I've been at cafe. The Meadows Wildlife Park. And it's a pig. Is there any more in there? Can't see any. Oh, here you go, it's all in there. I got a safe. Hello, mate. Yeah? You're on YouTube now? So if you look all the way down there, here is a beehive. Yeah, and you can walk all the way down there. But yeah, but it's like the summer thing. Like the swimming pool in the summer. But here we go, look. Here we go, look, water fish here. There you go, I am doing it. That was good. So is sheep. Yeah, so is sheep are there. I think there's a goat in the hut. Yeah, I am almost on 700. Yeah, I am almost on 700 subscribers. So if you're new, do me a favour, hit the subscribe button. Look guys, the park, look at this. Hang on, wait a minute, what's that? It's a goat. Do you know what? I've never seen a pen like this before. Look, with a slide, with a breeze, and have another slide. Never seen a pen like this before. Hello? You? Come and say hi. Come on. Come and say hi. Grumpy on you? Here we go, guys. Look at this view. Now, will you just look at that view? So it's a picnic area.
I don't know his name. I'm sure they put it on Facebook. Rodney. There we are. His name is Rodney.
So here, got a helicopter ride as well. Here we go, look, there's a play park. Hello? Here we go, there's a map. So there you are, guys. That is my first ever visit at Green Meadows Farm. So in this video we saw some Highland cows, we saw a calf, a Highland cow calf, we saw a pig, we saw some ponies. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Oh, before I go, I am almost on 700 subscribers. So if you're new, please smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.